up on the water. There we go. Right. Right, happy to be filled?
Yes, fine.
Brilliant. Right, and what's your name?
Linda.
Linda, what do we need to fix, Linda?
Well, I've had 2 replacement knees. I've got really bad arthritis in my hands
All right.
and in my swollen big bunion thing.
Oh, yes. Ouch. Yeah.
So part of that knee's still my own, but that's the part that plays up more than anything.
All right, okay.
But it's
So-
my hands that's bothering me because I'm not as good as, dexterity. It's really diminishing.
Right, okay, so let's have a good look at your hands. Sarah can do us a little close-up. Have you got good grip? You got grip?
Yeah, but
not
it's tight.
All right,
Really
okay.
tight.
Yeah, all right. And your knees, are your knees painful? Are they both
It
painful? or is
depends
it-
on the weather.
All right, okay.
Yeah, that side is still my own. I've still got a bit of my own knee.
All right, okay, we need that fixing then.
Yeah.
And shoulders? Any problem with shoulders or not?
No.
Oh, okay, what do you think was a problem with your shoulder?
Well, you must
I
probably know
don't
there
know.
is.
Let's find out. Oh, hot. I do worry when they say, oh, shall we have some fun? Okay, so I don't know what they're going to do, but I think it's going to be entertaining, so we'll just see. All right, so first thing they're doing is they're working
Making it very hot.
head. Yes, so that's why I knew what was coming. Sorry, I'll fill you in later when we're off camera what I'm giggling about. Now, are you needing to sleep more deeply?
God, yes, definitely.
Yeah, so that's what they're working on for you, so you can have a really good night's sleep. Alright, so on the knee, I've got a surgeon bent down, taking something out of the knee on the right side. Just extend it first, you'll see how that feels. Yeah, just try walking around on it.
Not pain at all.
No pain at all. That's good, isn't it? Easy peasy.
I'm very hot.
But you're very hot, yes, so there's a lot of energy rushing through. Right, I'm just going to work on your hands as well. Very often, our flow of creativity into the world is through the hands, whether we write, whether it's typing on a keyboard or write books, whether it's playing a musical instrument, whether it's drawing, craft work. A lot of creativity comes into the world through our hands. And it feels like you've wanted to be more creative than you've allowed yourself. You've not allowed yourself enough time, chronological time, to do the creative things that you love to do. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so your hands are objective. So we want to do more creative stuff. And so the more that you use your hands for creative stuff, the less they will ache. We also have a build-up of toxins in your fingers. Okay, so what happens is our world now is a lot more toxic than it was in Grandma's day, and the body's intelligence moves the toxins away from vital organs such as heart, lungs, liver, into extremities such as fingers and toes. And so you are going to need to do something to start flushing out those toxins, and I'll talk a little bit later about what you can do for that. Right, just try your hands, see if they're feeling less stiff.
Yeah,
Isn't that cool?
that is cool.
I did have one chap, he came with really bad arthritis in his hands, and afterwards he was straight. He says, when you've done this, when you've finished doing this, will I be able to play the piano? I said, yes, of course. He says, well, that would be a bloody miracle, because I couldn't play before. Right, lovely, all done.
Thank you. Thank you very much.